Defendant claims he has changed now. How will judge react after hearing his story?
All right. You applied for deferred adjudication. You entered a plea of no contest on September 17th. According to your plea bargaining agreement, punishment is to be assessed at a cap of 15 years in the prison. There's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon, and the state is opposed to your application. Are there any witnesses from either side? State?
No,
Defense?
no, Judge.
All right, so it's just argument?
Yes, Judge.
All right, state you're opposed. I'll hear your argument.
Because of the previous record and also the issues.
All right, defense.
Yes, Judge. He has been to prison once before. It was back in 2017 for an ag assault deadly weapon, as you can see from the report. One of the good things I saw when I was going through this PSI, which you don't normally see, is that he is very motivated for treatment. Full on safety. If you read the facts of this case, because of his drug and alcohol, primarily drugs, but some alcohol use on this particular day, he really does not remember the offense. His birthday was the next day. That's also the anniversary date of his grandmother's death, who he was very close to. He does live and would live with his grandfather, should you see fit to give him deferred. I know that it's an ask because he's been to prison once before. His misdemeanor history is, he's got, I think, a DWI conviction, and maybe an assault married conviction from a while ago. But if he goes to safety, that's like a good 9-month hit of intensive treatment that I think would serve him much better than going to prison, where he's not going, even if he did therapeutic community, it's not going to do him as well. And clearly he needs, he's never really gotten any help from the system. He just went to prison on that ag assault. Looks like he did get deferred initially, but he wasn't really getting any kind of help. And I have talked to him. He has always accepted responsibility for this offense. He never did want a trial. He knew that he did wrong, which I think shows that we might be able to actually get him the help that he needs so that he can get his life together. He goes to prison again. I'm not so sure he's going to get out, and with any of the help he needs, it's going to be just, I think, setting himself up to fail. Is there anything you would like to let the judge know?
You want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand. State your name for the record.
Go ahead, Edgar.
All right, what would you like to say?
I know I messed up, Your Honor. I understand that, but I mean, I already been to prison. I feel like if I go back, that's really just not going to do anything but help me. It's just really going to send me in a spiral. I mean, while I was on probation, I never got any help that I needed. I always wanted help. I struggled with doing drugs. When I lost my grandmother on my birthday, that kind of hurt. And then soon after, I lost my little brother who I initially grew up with. So it kind of sent me in a spiral. And then in prison time, I lost my son at CPS because the mother of my child was on drugs and didn't really want to